Hey guys, Ryan Cash here with Roof Tech Systems and Legend Brands. I'm down here in Chattanooga with John Halstein with US Rope Access. He's one of the beginning users of our Roof Tech machine, and I want to take a minute and ask you a couple questions and hear about you. So I guess the first question I've got is, what drew you to the Roof Tech machine? Why'd you choose us over anybody else?
Well, we'd spent a few years looking at soft wash and pressure washing machines, and we wanted the right fit for our business model. And the Roof Tech, as soon as we saw it, we knew, hey, that was the device that was going to do something the other machines cannot do. And the fact that we can go from 150 psi to 2,500 psi with the flip of a dial is phenomenal.
Yeah.
So we got what we need where we need it.
That's awesome. And so, tell me a little about, you guys are with your company's US Rope Access.
Yeah.
And so you guys are doing some pretty unique things with it, right?
Yeah, so US Rope Access, we set this up to be a building maintenance company that does high-rise, mid-rise, and special niches where most contractors can't get to. And so that's turned into doing a lot of large campuses, be it industrial or business campuses to college campuses. So we're very mobile. And the Roof Tech unit was a solution to that. We can't get vehicles around some of these big campuses, so we were able to mount it to a portable trailer, and here we are going around campuses.
And so you guys are using a drone setup for this.
Yep.
So that's pretty unique.
Yeah. So the drone is something new for us, new for Tennessee. We're excited to have it, but it's just another one of those tools that lets us to get to places that are difficult to access and solve a problem for the building manager really quick, really easy, and the Roof Tech was actually a great pairing to that, since we can dial it in on pressure to what the drone can handle. And normally you can't do that on most machines. It's fixed on your PSI.
Yeah, well, I appreciate you for taking a minute to talk to me. If you guys are in Chattanooga, have any buildings that need to be cleaned, you can get a hold of John at US Rope Access. Here's the machine. Shoot me an email at info@rooftechsystems.net. Appreciate it. Good sign.
If you're interested in the XTS 500 or other Roof Tech System products, contact me directly at info@rooftechsystems.net.